So we use arrays if we have an ordered collection of an element. So here we can see that there is an array. So we have elements like A1 up till AN, and we can get the individual items by referring to the index over here. So indexes are represented with I. So different elements are put together and they can be tracked together with the help of their indexes. So for example, if we have a collection of mangoes, like there are 10 mangoes, and we want to get the second mango, in that case we can specify the index 2 and it will give us that particular mango. We do assignments most of the time. So assignment is where you can assign some variable to another variable, or you can assign some numeric value to some variables. So here this operator, this less than equal to sign and dash, this represents that we are assigning a value b to a variable a. We can also do arithmetics where we can add, multiply or subtract the things, and while we are writing these algorithms we also need to come across with conditions. One of them is if, and another example is if with else. So if can have else or it cannot have else. So here what we are saying here is that if A is true, do B, and sometimes we have else part also. So if A is not true, what to do then? So then it will look into what to do in the else part. So here we say if A is true, do B, else do C. But as I said earlier, else may not be an important part. Sometimes we need to iterate over a multiple times. So over there we need loops. So here we are saying for I, A to B, do this thing C times. So for I, A to B, do C. So here it will move from, for example, if we say from 1 to 10, give us those numbers or numerics. So it will repeat the task this 10 times and print those 10 digits. Sometimes we don't go for those lower and upper bounds. We just specify a condition like that have two outcomes like true or false. So if that condition is true, it will repeat that thing or it will perform that thing. If it is false, it won't. So that kind of thing we see here as in while loop. So we say while A is true, do B. So this is another conditional.